Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Parental controls help you manage a child's laptop access and safety. They limit screen time and block inappropriate websites and apps. You can set schedules, daily limits, and bedtime locks for each account. Controls also allow content filters by age rating and keywords. Some systems provide activity logs and weekly reports sent to the parent account. Parental controls can require approval for purchases and app installations. This guide explains basic steps for setup, choosing settings, and monitoring effectively. Start by creating a separate child user account on the laptop. Link that account to your parent account in System Settings or the vendor portal. Enable screen time controls and set limits such as 2 hours per day. Configure a nightly lock at 9:30 p.m. and allow temporary extensions with approval. Turn on web filtering by selecting age-appropriate levels or blocked categories. Restrict app installations and require your approval for purchases and new software downloads. Regular monitoring helps you refine rules and maintain trust in the family. Check weekly activity reports for visited sites, app use, and time spent. Use those findings to adjust limits and filters to suit age and maturity. Offer earned privileges and gradually relax limits when the child shows responsibility. Communicate rules and reasons clearly and set expectations about privacy and consequences. Keep software updated and review settings quarterly to adapt to changing needs and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.